My name is Michelle, and I'm my doctorate in physical therapy. I'm a personal trainer, a yoga teacher, and a health coach. So today, this is going to be a 20-minute Christian yoga morning flow. So we're going to be warming up our bodies, and we're also going to be activating our muscles. So this isn't going to be just a relaxing practice. We're actually going to work on activating those muscles, strengthening them, so that we can move on with our day. So I am almost 40 years old, and sometimes I wake up achy. So if that's you, I really enjoy this because it just gives you a chance to move and stretch your bodies and get out those aches that happened overnight. So grab your yoga block and let's get started. So we're going to start in hero's pose. If this isn't comfortable, you can just come into a cross-seated position. So your knees are going to be together and you're going to sit on your feet. You can also put a block and you can sit on that block. And I really like doing this. So go ahead and close your eyes. You can have one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. And I want you to take a nice deep inhale, allowing your belly to fill up with air. And then purse your lips, blow that air out. Belly sinks in. Take a nice deep inhale. Let the chest stay where it is and just let that belly expand on the inhale. And slowly blow out the air. Continue with that breath and feel free to keep your hands on your chest or belly or place them on your legs. I'm going to read our scripture for today. Psalm 95:2. Let us come into his presence with thanksgiving. Let us make a joyful noise to him with songs of praise. I'll repeat it one more time. Let us come into his presence with thanksgiving. Let us make a joyful noise to him with songs of praise. So just take a few more breaths and just think what you're grateful for. Allowing your mind to focus on him and his goodness in your life. And then go ahead and open your eyes. And if you have a block, go ahead and move that off to the side and come into tabletop position. So hands and knees. Good. So you want to make sure your wrists are right under your shoulders. And we're going to start with some cat-cow. So drop our belly, take an inhale as you look up cow. Exhale cat, tuck your chin around your spine. Just continue following your breath with this movement. Inhaling for cow, belly expands. Exhaling cat, blowing all that air out. And go ahead and do a couple more. Just waking up our spine for the day. Go ahead and find a neutral position. And from here, we're going to come into hero's pose. So just go ahead and sit on those feet. Good. And start with our spine nice and tall. Go ahead and slide your left hand out to the side and straighten your right leg. Arm comes up by your ear. Nice big stretch and gate pose. Take an inhale. Exhale, come through hero's pose, stretching through the middle, walking your hands to the other side, and gate pose on the other side. Inhale. Exhale through the middle. Good. Inhale. So just keep following this, syncing your breath with the movement, not worrying if you're in the exact right position. Just waking up those muscles, stretching out the sides of that body. Good. A last one here on the other side. Good. Coming back to hero's pose and coming back into tabletop position. From here, we're going to come into puppy pose, walking those hands towards the top of the mat, bringing your forehead or chin towards the mat, taking a nice deep inhale, using that exhale to really relax into the shoulders. Good. One more breath. Walking those hands back up to tabletop. Tuck your toes and come into downward dog. Good, nice deep breath here. And go ahead and bend one knee and then switch to the other. So just walking out the feet, gently warming up those legs. And go ahead and find some stillness. Come into tabletop. Take an inhale. Exhale, walk those hands out, puppy pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. We're going to flow through that a couple more times. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, puppy pose, walking those hands out. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. One more time. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, puppy pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Take a nice deep breath here, allowing your head and neck to just hang really heavy towards the floor. Letting gravity pull it down, releasing any tension that you're feeling in your neck today. Maybe moving that neck side to side. Good, and go ahead and look at your left foot and bring that left foot between your hands. Inhale your arms up as you stand into Crescent Lunge. Good, making sure that our knee is right over our ankle, that our spine is tall, that we're not arching in that low back. If that low back is arching, just add a slight bend to that back knee to protect your back. Good, nice deep inhale. Exhale, open those arms, palms face the ceiling, open that chest. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms back to that open T. One more, inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale your arms up. Bring your hands down to the mat. Step back to plank and come through your vinyasa, knees or toes. So lowering down towards the ground, elbows into our side. Inhaling for cobra or up dog. And exhaling downward dog. One full breath here. And go ahead and step that right foot between your hands. Inhale your arms up, crescent lunge. Good. Check that knee in front. Check in with that low back. If there's any arching, just bending that back knee just a little bit. And if you feel wobbly or your balance is off, just move your feet further apart like they're on a railroad track. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. Arms come down to a T. Palms face up. Maybe you look up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step back to plank, coming through your vinyasa or coming